Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Shetty here at Pinkgritz, and today we have some potatoes and some onions, and we are making some breakfast potatoes with a little twist. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. So I got my potatoes cut. I'm putting in the rest of my olive oil that I have left, which is this is the olive oil that I'm using. And I have my Pinkgritz seasoning and my sazon pack, which is the twist to my breakfast potatoes. All right, so let's go ahead and get this in. I'm not gonna put my onions in. I'm gonna put just my potatoes in. I'm gonna go ahead and season this really well. Add my sazon pack. All right, and then I'm just gonna give it a little stir to get all the seasonings incorporated. Okay, so I got everything. I got all the seasonings nice and incorporated in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and saute it, get some addition, browned a little bit more for 5 minutes, and stir it maybe one more time, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what my next step would be. Okay, guys, I am adding my onions. It has been 5 minutes. So basically, I just lay them right there on top. I add a little bit more seasoning just for the onion's sake. And then if you have a top for your pan, go ahead and put the top on now. Or for me, I like to use foil for this particular pan. Cover it with foil, and I'm gonna turn it all the way down to low, and it's gonna sit like that in the pot for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, the lowest setting, and I'm gonna take the top off and show you guys the yummy goodness. It's gonna look so good, it's gonna taste so good. Can't wait for you guys to see it. I'll be back. All right, you guys, it's 15 minutes in. I want you to take a good look at how those onions look. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flip this. And the ideal here is to have them nice and brown and sauteed, right? But you want the middle to be completely cooked. And if you have chunks like this, like I like to actually taste potato, then when you cover it up, you're steaming it, you're not moving it. It's browned, and at the same time, when you get ready to eat this, it's going to be cooked all the way through. It's going to have an awesome flavor. And so now that I have turned it, it's still on low. All right. And if you want to make faster potatoes, cut them smaller, saute at a high rate and then cover it. But for me, I like flavor to get embedded into my potatoes because sometimes they can turn out to be dry, nasty, not cooked all the way through but burnt on the outside, so I don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and recover this back up, and we're going to do 10 more minutes like that, and then we're going to come back and we're going to eat it. Okay, I am back. It has been 10 minutes. It's been nice and covered up. Yes, low and slow. Look at those glorious sauteed onions and potatoes. You can always make, you can, I mean, honestly, I can eat these any time of the day, but these can be for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, anything. These particularly are with breakfast, and I'm going to be doing some grits and some bacon and a couple of things on the side, some scrambled eggs. So that's going to be our breakfast, but you can do this for dinner. You can make this as a side for dinner. You can make this as a side for or a snack. I know my mom makes this whenever she's hungry. She sautés potatoes and onions. And then you always want to just do the glorious fork check. So, fork check. That's how you know. And I'm going to try it. I just can't help myself. Oh my God. It's so good and hot. Don't ask me why I just did that. But it's the bomb. So I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share it. I have a few things that I have coming up soon. I'm updating my website. I got my new sauce and seasonings going. And then also on my Instagram, which is Pinkgritz with a Z, I'm going to be linking in my link tree, so you'll have access in my bio to all of the great things I got coming up. All right. So I love you guys for free. Y'all enjoy this meal and have a great day.